How to change aspect ratio in KineMaster. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the aspect ratio. Changing aspect ratio is super easy as you can change it from the very beginning. Let me show you. First, open KineMaster and tap on new project. You will see in the very beginning where you can change the aspect ratio. You'll be asked to add the aspect ratio in the very beginning, like add 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. As you can see, it's the logo here. You can see it. You can just analyze it yourself and add it as per your need. Let me add it for TikTok and tap on create and add it from your media, just like this. As you can see, I have added in my preferred aspect ratio. If you want to change the aspect ratio again, simply go back and tap on create new and just choose the aspect ratio from here and tap on create again. And that's it. Changing aspect ratio in KineMaster is super easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our other videos. Thank you for watching.